So today I'm going to be talking about how to create um, uh, graphical user interface using F# and WPF. Um, uh, and that's a Windows Presentation Foundation. Um, and I'm just going to talk about how to create an interface. So the first step that we need to take is to ensure that Net6 is downloaded, which you can get from the website .NET6. Make sure that's downloaded and installed. The next thing we need to get is the Visual Studio 2022. Make sure that's also downloaded and installed. And after that, the installation process of Visual Studio 2022, it's important to make sure that this option here, .NET Desktop Development, is selected, and also this option here, F# Desktop Language Support, is selected. Once that's all downloaded and ready, you can open the Visual Studio 2022 and begin a project. You can start by creating a new project, and we need to make sure that F# is selected from the list, and also Windows is also selected from the list. This can remain the same, and we're basically looking for the F# console application. Select it and press next. Let's name our project. And obviously say when you're ready. When we name it, let's press next. And as you can see, it's important to make sure that .NET 6 is selected, because that contains the latest tools that we need. Make sure .NET 6 is selected, and then let's press create. We can delete this here. Now, what's important to do here to get the WPF to work is to come here on your project, right click on it, and go to properties. And let's change it from a console application to Windows application, number one. Let's scroll down a bit, and let's also ensure that we want target OS. Let's choose Windows. That's important. And then finally, let's enable WPF for the project, and we're good to go. So let's close this. So the first thing we need to do is to open some system items. The next thing we need to do is create an entry point for our application. Let's call it main. So let's start by creating a text box. So that adds something that happens when you press the button. And something that happens. We're not going to pass any parameters to the function. We just use that blank. Let's see. Let's change the content of the text box. Let's see. Now let's create the layouts of the actual window. I'm going to start off by creating a stack panel. Window. Let's give a window title. Let's make it visible. Give it a width and height. It's 200. Let's put things together now. Let's add the text box first. No new return value. Do that for now. Now let's create an application to hold everything. Let's just compile this to see what happens. And let's see the end result. So the window is a bit not as big as I would like. So I'm just going to make the length a bit bigger. Let's make it about, let me make it about 300 instead of 2. Compile again. And about start. You can see everything now. and let's press greet, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope to upload some more in the future. Thanks for watching.